Okay guys, I got a quick video for you. It's related to the iPhone. I had trouble with mine accepting a charge. I would plug it in, but there would be no blue light, and it would not, it's like it was not connecting to the charger. So I probably had it like that for like a year and a half. I just had to finagle with it, and eventually I could get it to charge. So, quick tip. If yours starts doing that, I recommend cleaning this little hole right here where the charger plugs in. I just cleaned mine out, and I'm just putting this in the sink so you can see. This is what actually came out of that plug. Lots of nasty junk. Looks like fuzz. Who knows? But anyway, the way I cleaned it was I got a Q-tip, alcohol, and also some just plain toilet tissue. And I used it to, I would roll it up into a tiny roll, touch it with alcohol, and then run it around in there. Also, I used a pen, like for sewing, and I would use it to pick around at the bottom, and that's really how I got the majority of the fuzz out, was using that pen. Now the little copper contacts are actually on this side of the port in there, so you can put the pen in there and, you know, pick around in there gently and remove the fuzz without damaging the copper pins. After you get all the fuzz out, then I would again use the toilet tissue with a little bit of alcohol on it and put it in there, and I would move it around with the pen to help clean those contacts. Now I have no trouble at all with this thing accepting a charge. Plug it in, it readily accepts a charge. So just a quick tip for you: if you have an iPhone that will not accept a charge, just check that port out first. Alrighty. Alright, thanks for watching. Hey, and as always, if you like that video, hey, give me a thumbs up. How about it?